Hello students of Standard 6th. Welcome to DAV Mall Public School. I am your English teacher Jagruti Mishra. Let's begin our today's online session of English. Today we will continue with the same unit of your English reader, Performing Arts. Dear students, let us read today an interesting poem about a girl who went to see a ballet for the first time. Do you know what is ballet? Ballet is a kind of dance that tells a story with music but no words. So let us read the poem. My first visit to the ballet. I first went to a ballet when I was getting on for 10. My friend Luba went with me to the theatre and we had our coats hung up on stands in the clock room where they gave us special tickets in our hands. I am at the ballet now at last and everything completely passed from my memory. If you were to ask me, what's twice two? I would not know what to say. How I waited for this day. Soon I would see a lovely fairy, crowned in gold and all in white. I sat still, wide-eyed and breathless, and I held my ticket tight. Then the trumpets blared, drums rumbled, I and Luba almost stumbled. See, dear students, what happened? The girl went to see a ballet with her friend Luba at the theatre. They hung their coats on the cloakroom and they were given the special tickets of the show. As they went inside, what the poet was saying, it was everything from her memory has vanished. If somebody will ask her what is twice, she is not able to reply it is two. Means she was so excited to see the ballet. Okay, she was waiting for this day for a long time. She was just thinking very soon she will be seeing lovely fairies. Who were lovely fairies means the performers who are going to perform. They will be wearing a golden crown, wearing white dresses, and she will breathlessly and with her wide eye open she will be seeing the performance. But suddenly what happened? The trumpet started blowing very loudly. Drums started rumbling and her friend and the poet they tumbled. They tumbled means they fell down from their seats because of the sudden loud noise. From our seats in fright, then oh, wherever did my ticket go? Fairies on the stage were tripping, but to fairies I was blind. I kept looking for my ticket, which alas I could not find. It must have rolled beneath a chair, but under which, where is it? For ballets now I do not care. My only care is my ticket. Louder still the music thundered. Now the collision was on. We slipped down to the floor and wondered where that ticket could have gone. It had disappeared completely. I crawled to the seventh row. People hissed at us in wonder. Who's that crawling there below? Butterflies danced in the spotlights, but on the stage I looked no more. I kept searching for my tickets till I found it on the floor. All the lights went up just then, and everyone walked past me. The ballet's lovely, I said, when the girls in our school asked me. Let's see what happens, dear students. So, they fell from their seat, and what happened? The ticket which the poet was holding in her hand has fallen down. The dance performance had started, but she was now not looking at the dance performance. Her concern was where are the tickets? The music was growing louder and louder, and they were searching the tickets under the chairs. Okay, they from their seat they slipped up to the seventh row, crawling to see the tickets. People were starting hissing on them. Who is crawling there? The butterflies means the fairies or the dancers were performing very nicely, but the poet and her friend didn't have a look at it, only they were searching the tickets, but they were not able to find anywhere. But at last, when the dance performance was completed, they found the ticket at the floor and the lights went up and everybody started moving outside. So, in this way, they were not for the ballad for which the poet was very excited to see. She was not able to see it at all. And when next day the girls in the school asked her about the ballad, how was it? She said it was lovely. Dear students, given below is the flowchart of sequence of events as explained in the poem. Complete the flowchart. Some sentences are done for you. The girl in the poem went to see a ballet for the first time with her friend. Tickets were handed to them in the clock room. The tickets were special. In this way, try to complete the remaining one. On the basis of your reading of the poem, complete the following. Fairies on the stage refers to the performers. Solve this crossword puzzle. A kind of dance that tells a story with music but no words. It is ballet. To make a loud, unpleasant noise means blare. Now try to solve the crossword puzzle. Dear students, you must have heard and read about dance festivals held from time to time. When was the last time you went to see a dance festival organized in school or in your town? Just describe your experience in few lines. Already some questions are there, so you have to keep these questions in your mind and try to answer it. Where, when was it held? Where was it held? What was your experience? What did you see there? Whom did you go with? Dear students, now listen to a beautiful thought-provoking song by Michael Jackson, and while you listen, complete the lines. Heal the world. There's a place in your heart, and I know that is love, and this place would be much brighter than tomorrow. And if you really, you will find there's no need to. In this place, you will see, you will feel there's no hurt or sorrow. There are ways to get there if you care enough for the living. Make a little space, make a better place. Heal the world, make it a better place. And for you and for me, and the entire human race. There are people dying. If you care enough for the living, make a better place for you and for me. If you want to know why, there's love that cannot lie. Love is strong, it only cares of joyful giving. If we try, we shall see. In this bliss, we cannot feel fear or dread. We stop existing and start living, then it feels that always love's enough for us growing. So make a better world, make a better world, make a better world. And the dreams we were conceived in will reveal a joyful face, and the world we once believed in will shine again in grace. Then why do we keep strangling life? Won't this earth crucify its souls? Though it's plain to see, this world is heavenly God's globe. We could fly so high, let our spirits never die. In my heart I feel you, are all my brothers. Create a world with no fears. Together we cry happy tears. See the nations turn their swords into plowshares. We could really get there if you cared enough for the living. Make a little space to make a better place. Make a better place for you and for me. Dear students, here we end our today's session. Have a nice day. Thank you.